Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Your Ladder Will Be Greater by Dexter Walker, and that is in the key of G flat. And guys, this was actually requested by Mario Bernardo. Thank you so much, Mario, for giving us a good song to work on today. And to kick things off, there we go. I'm working with my coffee. You see it? Yeah, I want you to go and grab your favorite beverage. Head on back to your favorite keyboard and learn with me, AK, your favorite instructor. All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of E flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, and E flat. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have Dexter in the building. Dexter Walker's in the building. He's warming up with his choir. We're going to warm up our fingers, stretch them out, wiggle them. I think we're ready. Let's get it. Your ladder will be greater. Dexter Walker and Zion Movement. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So the song is like, God has a plan made for you. That's the kind of, that's the groove, right? Okay, so let me give you that. We're on the 4. My right hand, we're just playing this C minor chord. We're going down to the 3. We're playing a regular B flat chord. On the 2, we're playing an A flat chord. Then we're going to our 1. We're playing this G minor chord. Going to our 7, regular F chord. And then on the 6, we're playing an E flat major chord. That's all we're doing the whole way. Just that first part, right? That's all we're doing. So they go, God is the Father, you are the clay, He's breaking the chains away. Let me give you that. So what we're doing is right there, we're going chains away. We're on the 3. We're playing this chord. Then we're going to our 6, and we're playing this C dominant 7 chord. So then they go, God is not through blessing you. All right, let me give you that. We're on a 3. We're playing a regular E flat major chord. Going to our B flat major on the 6. Going to our 5, and we're playing this E flat major chord. All right, now we're on our 5 flat. That's a F chord. We're on the 5. We're playing this C minor 7 chord. Blessing you, and then back to the beginning, and back to the beginning, right? So the second time through, they're going, God is not through making you, don't you worry. God is not through with you yet. Let me give you that. All right, so we're going on a 3. We're playing an E flat major chord. We're going to our 6. That's a B flat major chord. Going down to our 5, E flat major chord. Then we're playing our F chord right here on the 5 flat. Nice chord here on the 4. You got it? And then we're just playing a regular E flat major chord on the 3. We're walking up to our 4. It's a C minor 7 chord on the 6 flat. Going right here to the E flat major on our 6. And then our bass is walking up 7, 1. So you play that a few times, and then the last time through you would go. Let me give you that. So we're on the 6. We're walking our way down to the 5 flat. So that's 6, 6 flat, 5, 5 flat. We're playing our C minor chord. We're going to our 7. We're playing this G flat 7 flat 5 chord. Then we're going back to this. On the 3, we're playing this chord right here, resolving with this chord. That's a C dominant 7 chord. And then we go. Let me give you that. 6, 7, 1. On the 2, we're playing our E flat 7 chord. Going to our D minor chord on that same 2. We're going to our 5, and we're playing this A flat 7 chord. That's our F diminished 7 on the 6 flat. This next part, they have this very nice groove. Let me give you that. We're on the 4. We're playing this E flat 6 chord. Now we're going to the 3. That's a regular E flat 2 chord. We're on our 2. We're playing this A flat 7 chord. Going up to our 5 flat. That's a F2 chord. Nice chord right here. This is a C, like a C9 chord on the 6. We're going to our 7 flat. That's a D flat 9. Going to our 1, we're playing a G minor chord. And then we're ending right here on the 2 with this A flat 6 chord. So they'll do that for like 4 rounds, and then they'll go. Let me give you that. We're starting out on the 5, playing a regular B flat major chord. Going to our 5 flat, we're playing an F chord. Then we're playing this E flat 6 chord on the 4. We're going right here to our B diminished 7 chord on the 5. Going to our G minor chord on the 1. We're going to our B flat major chord on the 7, walking our way down right here to the 5 flat, and we're playing an F chord. Guys, I hope that was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is good things come to those who wait. I remember my brother and me eagerly anticipating what presents we'd get for Christmas. While my mom was out, we searched for our gifts and found a brand new gaming system hidden in the back of the closet. We couldn't resist. We cracked it open, hooked it up, and we're deep into gaming glory. Then Mom walked in early. looking like the final boss we didn't see coming. Furious, she said, "I'm taking the game system back, and you're both grounded." We were kicking ourselves, realizing we turned waiting a week into ruining the whole Christmas holiday. When Christmas morning came, we didn't expect to see the gaming system again. But there it was, right under the tree. Thanks, Mom, for your grace, even though we didn't deserve it. I learned that good things come to those who wait, unless you get caught red-handed. Luckily, sometimes grace saves the day when patience fails. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, that was a fun song to work on. Guys, thank you so much for coming in and joining me. Thank you for learning with me. I hope that you go and continue to share this information with your friends, your loved ones, your musician buddies, everyone you know. Let's help this channel to grow and get to the next level. Guys, you know what? We have a Facebook page. That's Numerical Melodies on Facebook. That's me playing all the songs that I love to hear and play. Hopefully you do as well. And we have a section called... yes, viewers request. That's it, viewers request. That's you giving me a song to play and I play it. Viewers request. That's all it is, viewers request. That's Facebook, Numerical Melodies, viewers request. Check it out. And we have a bell. I would love for you to hit it because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yes, I hope you hit it. They tell me it takes 3 minutes. No, maybe 3 hours. I don't know. 3 seconds, I think. Let's try 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it. And you just hit the bell. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Guys, last but not least, you're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.